Welcome to the Weather Center. This Friday we saw clear skies setting in across the back of South Africa, but we still have storm clouds giving us scattered thunderstorms across much of Limpopo, and we are looking at this cold front which is set to hit the southwestern parts of the country as we go through Friday night. Then on Saturday we are going to see yet another cold front approaching our shores, and these two cold fronts here are going to introduce early drizzle around the southwest coastline and the south coast, spreading into East London. Later on in the day it's going to become mostly cloudy with rain for the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape and southern KwaZulu-Natal. Isolated thunder showers are forecast for the northern parts of KZN, parts of Mpumalanga, as well as parts of the Limpopo province. It's going to be mostly fine for the rest of South Africa. Moderate winds are forecast on Saturday for much of the country. However, fresh to strong southwesterlies are forecast between Port Elizabeth and Richards Bay. It's going to be mostly cloudy with moderate rain for the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas and the adjacent interior. Partly cloudy with thunder showers for the northern sections. Durban and Port Shepstone will peak at around 26 degrees. Moderate rains are also forecast for Port St. John's and Mthatha. Light rain and drizzle between East London and Port Elizabeth, as well as the adjacent interior of the Eastern Cape. We are also going to see light rain for the south coast of the Western Cape for the first half of your Saturday. Temperatures in the lower 20s for these parts of the Western Cape. A bit of rain as well early in the morning for the southwestern areas of the province. Clear skies are forecast, however, across much of the Northern Cape. A high of 24 is forecast for Springbok. It's going to stay hotter over the eastern areas, but it's going to be a touch cooler here compared to what we saw on Friday afternoon. It's going to be fine as well for much of the Free State. Bloemfontein peaking at 30, 31 for the high in Velkom. The northwest is also going to see mostly clear skies, partly cloudy, however, for Zeerust and Rustenburg, with temperatures in the lower 30s. Thunder showers are set to continue across much of the Limpopo province. Polokwane warming to around 26, hotter as we go towards the low-felt areas. We are also going to see thunder showers for the eastern parts of Mpumalanga. It's going to be partly cloudy and dry for the high-felt areas. Similar weather across Gauteng, where Pretoria warms to around 31 degrees. On Sunday, we are going to stay with thunder showers for Polokwane and Mbombela. Fairly intense rains around Richards Bay and Durban, and drizzle is forecast for George. It's going to stay wet on Monday for the eastern provinces and around George.